Hey everyone, today we are going to build a simple Python program that acts as a temperature converter. Let's start with our main function convertTemp. This is where magic happens. A function is called is a reusable box of code that performs a specific task. Here def convertTemp, this will print /n temperature converter. /n is used for next line, and when we call this function it will display a message temperature converter. So next we display two options for the user to choose from: print 1 Celsius to Fahrenheit and print 2 Fahrenheit to Celsius. Option 1 will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and option 2 will do the reverse. We then ask user to input their choice. The input function lets user type their response. If the user chooses option 1, the program asks for temperature in Celsius and calculates its equivalent for Fahrenheit using this formula. Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius multiply 9 by 5 plus 32. The result will display using this code. Similarly, if the code user select option 2, the program asks for temperature in Fahrenheit and converts it Celsius using another formula. Celsius Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. The temperature in Celsius is displayed like this. Now, if the user enters something other than one or two choices, we let them know their input is invalid. Finally, we call that convert temperature function to run our program. That's it for our simple temperature converter in Python. Test it out. Let me know how it's worked for you. If you learn something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.